Today I'm going to show you how to make ahi poke salad. It starts with tuna, ahi tuna. You want to find either fresh tuna or frozen tuna is fine too, as long as it has really good color and is sushi grade. This is actually frozen tuna. And you're going to cut this into 3/4 inch cubes. And then we're going to add like a tablespoon of ginger. And then also a clove of garlic, and just grate that as well. I'm going to add some fresh chopped scallions, and I like to cut these at a diagonal. It just kind of makes them prettier. And then we're just going to add a simple marinade to the ahi. I use toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, and just a little bit of honey. And then just mix it up. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to toss in some sesame seeds. And then we're just going to give this a good mix and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And then I'm going to load this up with fresh veggies. Give your poke a good mix and spoon it over top. I like to sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over everything. If you like spicy, these are chili threads. So they're like dried chili peppers, only cut into threads instead of flakes. And then lastly, the ponzu dressing. And there you go. Hawaiian Poke Bowl.